In this lesson, we're going to learn about the find and the mid text functions in text manipulation within Microsoft Excel. So we're going to open a workbook called Employees, and we're going to scroll to this section called Email over here. And once you're over here, we're going to insert a new column. Okay, and this column is going to be the find column. Okay, so over here we want to find how many the @ symbol of the email address is after how many characters, okay, within this cell reference. So we're going to use the find formula, which is equals find, open brackets, the find text is going to be, which is stated by, you need to put an open quotation marks, the @ symbol, close the quotation marks, comma, the within is this, the cell reference, and the start number is not necessary unless you want to define it. So you can close it, then press enter. So the @ symbol within this cell reference over here is the 13th character. Okay, so you can click over here, then replicate it here. You can see that the @ symbol over here is the 3rd character, and over this section over here it is the 5th character. So we're going to add another column over here, and you're going to call it the mid. Okay, and what you're going to do over here, we're going to use whatever we found out in the find, using the find function, but we only want to get the domains of each, the domain of each email address. Okay, so the mid function is expressed as equal sign mid, open brackets, the text so the formula for the mid is going to be equals mid, the text is going to be the cell reference, which is this one, comma, and you're going to reference this one, which is going to be that one, plus 1 character, because it's 1 character after the @ symbol, comma, the length, open brackets, of M2 minus, sorry, the length of M2, close the bracket, minus the O2, then close the expression. So basically we want to find the domain after the @ symbol, so we are referencing M2, which is this whole cell reference, the exact place where the @ symbol is equals plus 1 character after, because we are interested with 1 character after the @ symbol, and the reference is going to be the length minus O2. So it's going to be the whole of it minus O2 wherever O2 is occurring. So you press the enter key. Okay, so the formula was, and I repeat again, mid, open brackets, it is the cell reference, a comma, the starting number, which was O2, plus 1, which is after the @ symbol, comma, then the number of characters, which is the length of M2, minus O2. Okay, so that we can be left with the remaining after the @ symbol. Okay, so if you want to replicate the formula downwards, you click over here, then highlight the whole of it. So it was the mid cell reference where the @ symbol was occurring plus 1 character after, comma, the number of characters, which of M2, minus O2, where O2 was occurring, so that you can be left with only the number of characters, which is the after the @ symbol. And that is how you use the find and the mid text functions in Microsoft Excel to do text extractions and manipulation. I'll see you in the next lesson.